A warm welcome to you. It gives me great pleasure in introducing Sunsmart Global. Basically, this slide will run for 5 to 7 minutes, introducing about us, the capabilities of Sunsmart, and why Sunsmart will be the technology partner to you in serving the software requirements of your organization. The basic history of Sunsmart is we started our operations in 2005 and we provide software solutions and services for diversified industries that includes banking, financial services, securities, insurance, government, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, etc. We carry more than 500 plus man years of experience in IT solutions, system design, architecture, implementation, integration, and business intelligence. We are partner to Microsoft at various levels, starting from the silver independent solution vendor to the royalty partner to the banking partner. And we are part of various associations globally that includes British Business Group, NASCOM, and CII. We are one of the top 50 emerged IT companies as part of the NASCOM. And all our applications are IP protected in 182 countries through Berne Convention. We are a ISO 9001 2008 certified organization by Guardian Independent of Europe. At this point of time, we have our presence in three continents and we are expanding into two more before 2014. We have a head office in London, UK. We have offices in US, Middle East, and in India we have the Global Development Center in Chennai and we have operations in Bangalore, Mumbai, and Delhi. The experience of Sunsmart is we provide software solutions. We do bespoke development or custom software design. We are capable of setting up the offshore development team and the on-site development centers in the technologies of Microsoft .NET, SharePoint, MSD, and the data warehousing and HTML5. And we also provide high-end technology consulting services. As part of this, we certify applications for their performance, for their architecture compliance, for their design. And if the application is developed with the .NET, we can optimize the product for higher performance. And we also do the database, language, and platform migration activities. We help our customers in migrating databases from lower versions of SQL Server to higher versions of SQL Server, migration from other RDBMS systems to any other RDBMS systems. In terms of language, we help the people in migrate the application from Visual Basic or Power Builder or ASP to the latest stack of .NET. And on the platform side, we assist people in certifying products for the working across different platforms, right from migration from Windows 2000 Server to 2003 or 2008 or 2012. We help the customers. And we also have independent premium quality assurance services, part of prime testing. Basically, we certify the products for their performance, architecture, scalability, and also certify the products for their cross browser accessibility, multi device accessibility, and functional test case, which is an automated one. And we also do a regression testing and a global test case like that comes with a GUI uniform in the product and all this stuff. And we provide performance certification. We define the hardware sizing also. A customer can plan an application that he is buying for working to 5,000 users, and he has a scalability factor in the next 3 years of 7,000 and 10,000 respectively. So we certify whether the given or procured application can scale up to 10,000 users in the defined hardware platform within the defined response time. And we define the scenarios accordingly. We pump up the huge volume of data, so we take into account of the real-time scenarios and we create the sequential flow of data and the concurrent user accessibility factor and certify the performance, scalability, architecture, and hardware sizing. We also do ITS service. We support the BPO and KPO services. And we have got rich experience in doing the business intelligence and data warehousing services, thereby providing the dashboards part of HTML5 and regular applications. When you come down to software solutions, the number of solutions which are flagging off today is we have the lead management and partner management tool, takes care of complete right from the collation of lead from multiple channels, allocation of leads, tracking of leads, managing of partners, selling of third party products, setting targets, incentives, third party commissions, and then move on to the electronic document processing for application processing. Then once the customer is activated, a KYC process and the customer activation services. So the lead management system completely takes care of the end-to-end flow of the leads till they are acquired and activated as a customer. The customer relationship management helps in handling priority customer. It helps in handling the customer complaints and 360-degree view of the customer relationships. And it also has a process for cross-sell, upsell, and managing of the customers till they are making their transaction. It has the tools which helps in tracking of the customers who are not making any transactions, and gives the analytics that helps you in knowing the current position of conversion of customers and move forward. We have the integrated facilities management system that helps in managing the facilities in terms of the various properties, the details of the properties, the list of assets in the properties, compliance of the property in terms of security regulations, local government regulations, managing of the complete ownership history, legal compliance, all the documents pertaining to that particular property, all are managed. In addition to that, the maintenance of property is also managed to the same system. This also comes with a computerized asset management system that helps in managing of all the assets, their maintenance schedules, their insurance, AMCs, warranties, everything. The CAMS as a product which I was telling, which is the computer aided asset maintenance management software that helps in managing any type of assets, both virtual as well as physical. Assets are indexed into categories and subcategories, and the system can manage the vendor details of the procurement of assets. It manages their depreciation, their insurance, their warranties, their AMCs, the preventive maintenance schedules, predictive analysis, and also the user initiated maintenance activities. System is compliant to both RFID and barcode standards that helps in tracking of the assets and identifying their current locations. The application helps in tracking the assets which are deployed at remote locations and do an automated physical inventory reconciliation based on barcode or RFID technologies and provides alerts. Then we have the legal and litigation management system specifically designed for very large corporates, managing the issues that comes out of the various entities that includes employees, vendors, customers, government relationships, properties, and other activities. System tracks care of the complete legal initiation process to the lawyer appointment, the case filing, issuing of notice, tracking of the various case proceedings, paying of the advocate fees, and to know the status of the cases at any point of time, re-appealing of cases, out of court settlement, compromises, and various statistical and analytical reports helps in tracking the current status of these legal statuses. All the documents can be scanned and uploaded into a system. System is accessible across all the devices such that the lawyers can update the status from the court premises itself. Then we have the enterprise resource planning system starting from the procurement management, handling of the inventories of the items, their purchase process right from purchase requisition, then the purchase requisition approval, then purchase RFP, then vendor portal, then vendor can log in and put their quotation, vendor confirmation, issuing of purchase orders, then goods receipt note, going to the quality control process, stock updation. Then we have the process of the material requisition, then material issue, then packing slip, delivery challan, and to goods returns handling, and relevant reports are completely managed. Addition to that, there's a full-fledged sales module right from handling of the leads, the quotations, the sales orders, tagging to the manufacturing things are managed. We have full-fledged financial accounting starting from the chart of account to managing the books of account, cost centers, cost categories, and then move on to the account payable, account receivable, journals, bank reconciliation, and then the statistical report like trial balance sheet, all those stuff. Then we have production maintenance management. As part of that, we do the MRP scheduling, and once the materials come, we do the stocking and dispatch of materials. So the ERP handles the complete chains of the organization. We have a full-fledged HRMS system that handles right from the human resource development module that handles the applicant management, creation of interviews, conducting of interviews, recruitment agencies, advertisement options, then offer letters, appointment letters, creation of new employees. When the employees join, it handles the complete profile of employee in the same sheet. That includes the employee's general data, reporting structure, geographical data, references, the KRA, KPI of employees, his transport details, his language skills, his career history, his career path, his salary revisions, his transport details. Then, if he's an expat, the information on the passport, the visas, the health card, various the data of such things, their expiry days are handled. Then the dependent details. In case of certain specific geographies, it handles the local compliances like provident fund, then medical insurance, and other things. Plus, it also handles the employee end of service benefits. So, gratuities, those things are managed as part of it. The employee profile also denotes the skills of employees, the memos issued to him, his attendance data, his leave history, complete data of the employees managed in the same screen. Then we have the employee induction management, then employee asset and infrastructure management, then the employees self-service portal for leave, OD, OT, travel, other requisitions. Then there's a travel management system. Then we have the 360-degree performance appraisal. Then we have the training management for the employees. We have the exit management of the employees. Then we have visitor management. We have library management. All the tools helps in managing the complete human resources to the fulfillment. Then we have the document lifecycle management system, which is capable of handling any sorts of documents that can be published over the system. And we have innovative functionality like the document viewer, which is a browser control, helps in streaming of documents from the server. And with this document viewer, the end user need not have the local instance of MS Office or Acrobat Reader or any audio video playing applications. All these things are streamed from the server to the end user, and it protects the documents such that the end user cannot print, copy, or even do a print screen of these documents. And then it also has the functionality of archival of document, password protection, tat lock, check-in, check-out, and version maintenance history, archival of documents, favorite folders, all those facilities. It is compliant to the watermarking. All documents will be watermarked automatically. The application does a meta keyword based search, subject based search, and it also has a full content search based on the content of the document. Even it can search a PDF or image, any file for the content. The application also carries the OCR capabilities for doing OCR of the documents. And it also has got a business process management wherein you can initiate the account payable, account receivable, contract management, any sort of the business process initiatives and carry it successfully. We have the InstiView, which is the intelligent and innovative statements developed with the HTML5 application, which helps delivering of statements in the innovative method to the end users. For example, a credit card company or any telephone telecom, when they share that statements, when a customer is having multiple relationship with the entity, they send only one statement. So it is a offline application. The end user sees like a dashboard of all the relationships. He can search across all the relationship, and he can view the data the way how the customer is looking into. The core advantage is every customer can be sent a personalized statement with personalized sales campaign specific to them. And the system can also do one generation of inbound calls based on the clicks of customer from the statement. We have the entire KTA, again an innovative solution, helps in managing the knowledge base or documents, training of the employees or vendors or customers, and conducting an online examination comprising of various types of questions right from multi-choice text, multi-choice picture, fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, short answer, long answer, and the questions based out of video and audio or picture based visuals. And based on the success in the examination, necessary certifications can be generated and they can be certified to equip that particular activity. And we have other solutions also, that right from the time and attendance system that can be integrated to any of the biometric or smart card device and manages the ESS portion of the employees. We have the visitor management, we have meeting management, project management, and we can also build dashboards and business intelligence services. On the software side, we are capable of doing a custom software or bespoke software development in the technologies of Microsoft .NET, HTML5, MSD, and SharePoint. And we can set a offshore product development team and deliver to the customer in line with the agreed timelines. We can do also the application maintenance service for both on-site and offshore. And we do technology consulting services by providing skilled resources in the areas of .NET, MSC, SharePoint, SQL, or Oracle DBAs. And we also do a managerial consulting services right from gathering of requirement, vendor identification, RFP, implementation, and support services. We are capable of doing business intelligence and data warehousing projects, big data projects, and collect data from multiple sources, create the data mart, and generate the analytical reports out of that. Migration of the application is possible. We do HTML5 development and we do the mobile site development for any application. On the software services side, we do the web portal development, as I was telling, that premium quality assurance services, scalability, performance, hardware sizing certification, functionality and smoke testing, cross-device accessibility, multi-device certification, cross-browser certification, and creation of automated test beds and managing them. And the advantages of Sunsmart is we are a focused organization delivering value to the customer. We have presence in 3 continents and plan to expand in 2 more during 2014. We have range of unique software solution services compared to any other vendors available in the market. Applications are economical, effective, superior solutions and services that ensures multi-fold return on investment to the customers. We work on data to technology, performance certified by Microsoft, and scalability is ensured by Microsoft. And the principles of Sunsmart is trustworthiness, dependability, quality, and consistency. Basically, we are partner to you in terms of technology rather than vendor. And we are serving the governments, banks, financial institutions, security companies, insurance companies, manufacturing companies, pharmaceutical, healthcare and life sciences, FMCG, retail, B2B and B2C companies. Some of the top clients of Sunsmart includes the world largest insurance, world largest healthcare, world second largest retail chain, the world second largest BPO chain, UAE second largest business house. These are all some of the customers. So this gives the certification to the work of Sunsmart. All the applications are running for the last 7-8 years in these places consecutively. I hope we will be of value to you. I look forward to be of service to you, and any queries, you are most welcome to reach it to me. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.